Hello everybody, welcome to this series of educational videos which Optometry Council of India is doing to educate the common public about eye care and the common things that are related to eye care. So in today's video we have Professor Monica Chowdhury. She is well known in the eye care fraternity. She is the Director of Health Sciences from Shushank University. Basically optometrist by profession. And Monica, I think you were one of the first fellows of the International Association of Contact Lens Educators. So she's been in the contact lens education field for a long time. So as you would have all guessed, today's topic is contact lenses. So, and who else than Monica to reply to all these questions that come across us quite often from the common public. So welcome, Monica.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. And it's a pleasure if I can answer some of the questions. Thank you.
Monica, I see that you're not wearing spectacles or contact lenses. So my first question is contact lens okay to be worn by all ages of people? You know, is it only youngsters who can wear contact lenses? So what's the answer to that question?
First thing, contact lens can be worn at all ages. We even have children with 6 months who have been given contact lenses for certain treatments. We even have elderly people, 60 plus or whatever, who have been wearing these lenses for their near correction. However, I would say, yes, the young generation, which is between 14 to 30s, is something which is where the contact lenses are more popular with, but there is no contraindication to any age. And there are lots of children also now who are wearing contact lenses.
So that now comes to my next question. So do you wear contact lenses?
Yes, I do. I have my reading glasses, and for my readers, in place of that, I use my contact lenses.
Oh, you mean to say so people above 40 also can wear contact lenses?
Yes, so at any age, rather, you can wear contact lenses, which is an alternative to the spectacle, or it can be even for a treatment purpose. So there are contact lenses which are therapeutic for sight restoration, and we have people in 70s also wearing those lenses.
Oh, okay, that's really news. So that leads me to my next question, Monica. So, so there are quite a few people who come and say, I have minus 15 or I have plus 10. Is it okay to wear contact lenses? So contact lenses, is it okay to be worn by all powers, or is there any specific restriction?
Contact lenses can be worn with any prescription. We have lenses which are available now and can be customized to any power. So there is no restriction to power. In fact, higher the power, the better is the output with the contact lens compared to a spectacle. So no restriction. You may have cylindricals or anything. There are lenses which are available and can be customized for individual eyes. So the answer is no restriction. Whatever power you have, you can wear a contact lens.
Okay, I think this should be really music to the ears to some of them who have high power prescriptions and are looking for alternatives other than spectacles, I think.
Yes.
My next question, Monica, is that, with spectacles and with trendy frames and all of that, and coming to contact lenses. So what's the advantage with contact lenses? What's the advantage that the spectacle does not give?
Okay. So first major advantage for anybody to choose a contact lens is, of course, a cosmetic advantage. So many of them have apprehensions in wearing spectacles. The benefit is the cosmetic appearance. But beyond cosmetic appearance, there are many technical advantages of wearing contact lenses over a spectacle. So it's not just giving you a better look, but it has advantages because in a frame you have sides which cut off your vision from the periphery. Whereas when you wear a contact lens and wherever your eye moves, your lens moves along with it. So you're not restricted by that frame margins or anything. The quality of vision is also far better in a contact lens than compared to spectacles. And that is optically, or there is a physics behind it. So the lens is very much closer to the eye and it corrects the power very much to a normal vision can have. So in spectacles, the spectacles have certain aberrations and lenses, which is eliminated when we come into the contact lenses. So there is another advantage is you have a wider field of vision, good quality of vision, and wherever your eye moves, there is a complete view which can be gazed into it. And beyond that, there are advantages if we say with occupations and professions. Suppose somebody is in sports, it is definitely that one cannot be happy wearing a spectacle and playing a badminton or cricket. In fact, it's the contact lens which will help them out with these sports. Then there are certain occasions and professions where spectacles are contraindicated. Contact lenses have a better advantage. You can even wear a contact lens, and I would say any type of goggles or spectacles or fancy lenses which are protective from UV radiation and even sunlight for those who have glares. So there are many benefits which are over the spectacles beyond the cosmetic appearance in contact lenses. One should consult the eye care practitioner, and for each individual there will be an added advantage over the spectacle.
I like the way you put it. What you lose in terms of style with spectacles, you can always gain in terms of sunglasses. So yes. I think, and have the advantage of contact lenses as well. So I think that's a very good thing, that yes. You wear stylish, sunglasses rather than wearing stylish spectacles.
Spectacles, yes.
That's very good. And we've also had a lot of, parents of children and adolescent kids coming to us and asking, is there a lot of care? My child is very careless. So is there a lot of care that needs to go in for contact lenses and taking care of them and so on?
It's a myth, I would say. Yes, there are particular steps which one has to follow when one is handling contact lenses, but they're very simple and convenient steps. The things have advanced so much, the care processes have advanced so much, and maintenance is so good now that it is very easy for anybody to learn. It barely takes seconds for anybody to insert a lens and remove a lens and maintain these lenses. And nowadays we also have hassle-free one-day disposable contact lenses where you just pick it out from the blister pack, put it, and then remove it off for somebody who's really lazy on handling it. But in case of kids, it's certainly not a problem. We have had many kids where we have been fitting them for certain indications in controlling myopia and others. And my youngest one who was handling it was 9 years, and he was handling it the best, better than the adults could even handle. So yes, the education of how the process has to be handled has to be trained, but it is not so cumbersome. And it doesn't take more than 30 seconds on an average for a person to wear a lens and remove a lens.
So it takes basically less than a minute that you're saying. So
yes,
with practice, it just takes less than a minute to put the contact lenses in your eye. Oh, that's really good to know.
In fact, they are so fast. In fact, the patients who use lenses, they're much faster than us. When we insert in the clinics or remove them in the clinics, they can do it much better than us. It's a reflex which develops out, and it's very convenient and easy to handle them.
Great. And there's also one more question that usually, prospective people who want to go in for contact lenses ask is it harmful to the eye? I've heard stories that the contact lens turns the eye red and things like that. So is that true? So what do you have to say?
So I would say, so for this, I would say that contact lens is a safe medical device. In fact, it is classified into, it is very safe. The complications happen majorly if the patient is non-compliant, means if he has not followed the instructions which are there with these contact lenses. Like you have not washed your hands before inserting lenses, or you have slept with the lenses which were not meant for sleeping, or you've put in some tap water in your eye or used some wrong solutions. So major challenge is on the safety is from the patient's care and handling or mishandling. The other very smaller aspect can be, yes, if the practitioner has not been fitting them properly or has not been giving the right appropriate lens for the patient. But if it's best selected, recommended, and the patient follows all the instructions, they are very, very safe. And whenever we see in our clinic some episode of a problem which comes with the lenses, it is mostly because the patient has not been following the instructions, or it is a problem which is created most of the time by the patient himself. So a proper education and compliance, the contact lens should not be giving any problem to anybody.
That's like any other health condition or any instructions that's been given by any medical or healthcare professional, right? So if one doesn't follow, then you land yourself in trouble, right? So I think it's the same. So as long as you follow the instructions that are given, then you're perfectly all right. And I think in today's time, hygiene, definitely all of us have been talking about hand washing and not touching the eye with soiled hands and things like that. So the same instructions, I guess, go for contact lenses as well. Is it not?
Perfectly matched, like a doctor prescribing a medicine. And if the patient doesn't follow the instructions of that medicine, and then he comes back to say that there was problem with this medicine, it was not the wrong prescription. It was actually the patient who has not handled it. You've exactly given a very good match with this.
And I think in today's time where, you have to wear a mask and then wear the spectacles on top of it, it often gets fogged. So I think contact lens is a very good option, especially in today's time and age that we're seeing, that it's a good option where at least you can see clearly with it and it doesn't keep getting fogged,
Yeah, that fogging of spectacle is a big problem many have been talking about, and I think contact lens is a better way to solve that problem than just cleaning it out again and again and touching your eyes.
Yeah. So let's say I decide I want to wear contact lenses, or somebody else decides to wear contact lenses, that they want contact lenses as an option. So whom should they approach, Monica?
I would say the person who is qualified enough to handle a contact lens patient is an optometrist. However, ophthalmologist can also fit contact lenses, but the competencies of an optometrist, because it is integrated enough into their curriculum and they are well experienced in doing it. So the consumer should actually approach looking into a person who's a qualified optometrist as the first choice if one has to go for a contact lens. However, ophthalmologists are also good enough and are aware of the contact lenses and can fit the patient in our country.
So you mean to say basically ophthalmologists do more of the surgical procedures and optometrists do the the other procedures that do not require surgery?
Yes. So the ophthalmologist is a person who is meant for a medical or a surgical intervention. However, there are certain types of lenses where I'll tell you which are sight restoration lenses, where an optometrist and an ophthalmologist both can work in co-management. So for that kind of patients where these are treatment lenses, we need both of them together, and the ophthalmologist and optometrist work in sync.
Yeah, maybe like
for the major category of contact lenses, the optometrist can handle it.
Yeah, maybe conditions such as keratoconus, or you're fitting a bandage contact lens for healing of something, then I guess both work in unison, right?
Yes, it's the co-managed, patient is co-managed by both of them.
And there are quite a few people who come and ask, are these lenses are available abroad? Are they available here, and things like that? So are most of the multinational company lenses available in India as well?
Yes, in fact, we have the best of the brands available in our country. All those lenses which are globally available, we have most of them here in our country. There are certain specific brands or maybe certain range or parameters of lenses which are outside. But as far as Indian requirements are concerned, we have the best of the brands in our country, and our patients can access them, I would say, at a lesser cost at times than compared to where it is globally available.
That's so nice to know, Monica. And I think, you've given a wide range of information for all those people who are interested in wearing contact lenses. And I do hope people get encouraged to go ask their optometrists or ophthalmologists about, whether they can or cannot wear contact lenses. and that they are what would I say, motivated to wear contact lenses, because from whatever you say, I think it's a very good option compared to glasses and has a lot of advantages in terms of vision and other things as well, cosmetic appearance, vision, and other things. So
yes, thank you. In fact, you summarized it well. There are many myths about contact lenses, but contact lenses is a very good option for an alternative for a spectacle wearer. Beyond the cosmetic appearance, there are many more advantages. So I think people should be motivated enough, and they'll find a life-changing thing. For many of them, it's really a life changer if they shift over to contact lenses.
Thank you, Monica. Thanks a lot for your time, and thanks a lot for all the information that you've shared.
Yeah, thank you so much, Lakshmi, and thank you, Optometric Council of India. In fact, this council is always dear to me, and as an optometrist myself with several years in this profession, we really look forward to many more coming into this contact lens category. Thank you. Thank you, Optometric Council.